If there's one thing you don't want to see is a crack like this. And you definitely don't want to see a crack like that. Hi, I'm Alex Rodriguez, owner of A Reliable Foundation Repair. Do you have foundation problems? We can fix your foundation problems with state-of-the-art and proven foundation solutions. Through the use of piers installed underneath the structure, your home or business will be elevated and the problems that are associated with foundation issues are in most cases eliminated immediately. So give us a call or visit us online at areliablefoundationrepair.com.